North America covers an area of about 24.7 million square kilometers, approximately 9.5 million square miles, about 16.5% of the Earth's land area, and about 12.8% of its total surface. North America is the third largest continent by area, following Asia and Africa. It has a shape like a triangle.
North America can be divided into 5 physical regions: the mountainous West, the Great Plains, the Canadian Shield, the very eastern region, and the Caribbean. The most familiar of the mountain ranges are probably the Rockies, North America's largest chain, stretching from the province of British Columbia, state of New Mexico.
The Canadian Shield is mostly flat plateau. It extends over eastern, central, and northwestern Canada. The Canadian Shield has a number of lakes. A large plateau in North America is the Colorado Plateau, which covers about 337,000 square kilometers in Colorado, Utah, Arizona, and New Mexico.
The Great Plains lie in the middle of the continent. They are also home to rich deposits of oil and natural gas.
Another high-altitude plateau in North America is the Mexican Plateau, with an area of 601,882 square kilometers and average height of 1,825 meters. It is the home of more than 70 million people.
The Maya civilization was a Mesoamerican civilization developed by the Maya people and noted for its logosyllabic script, the most sophisticated and highly developed writing system in pre-Columbian Americas, as well as for its art, architecture, mathematics, calendar.
Mongoloid. The natives include Indians in USA and Latin America and Eskimo in Canada and Alaska, USA. Caucasoid. From the beginning of the 16th century, Europeans such as Spanish, French, British, German, and Portuguese occupied and settled down in the land owned by Indians. North America composed with many races and new technology. It has a lot of buildings.
Industry. The industry in North America is advanced because of its rich natural resources. This can promote the industry in the continent, especially heavy industries such as steel, petroleum, machine, and automobile. The countries with advanced industry include USA, Canada, and Mexico. The biggest industrial centers in the northeast of USA are New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Detroit, and Chicago, while Los Angeles is the center in the west. The biggest industrial area of Canada is the St. Lawrence River and the Great Lake Plains. North America trades with countries in Europe, Asia, and Africa. The United States is the country which trades with the most is Canada's important partner country.
The Columbia and Fraser River flows into the Pacific Ocean, while the Colorado flows into the Gulf of California and the Yukon into the Bering Sea. Rivers like Rio Grande are used for drinking water.
Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Ontario, and Erie are classified as Great Lakes in North America because they are one of the most significant natural features of North America. Three of the largest lakes are Superior, Huron, and Michigan, with an area of 82,100 square kilometers, 59,600 square kilometers, and 58,000 square kilometers, respectively.
There is huge forest land in the frigid zone and the temperate zone in North America, in particular Canada and USA. In tundra area there is alpine forest. In the temperate zone there is deciduous forest. There are a lot of important species of wildlife, such as grizzly bears, reindeer, bison, bighorn sheep, and coyote.
North America is a leading producer of coal used in energy production, bauxite used to create aluminum, iron and copper both used in construction, and nickel used to create steel, which North America companies export around the world. Besides, there are other resources which are important for the economic development of the countries, such as gold, silver, petroleum, and natural gas.
What a problem nowadays. Water sources are polluted because of the untreated wastewater. To illustrate, water source in Everglades Swamp in Florida, USA used to be freshwater wetland and the habitat of marine animals. Nowadays, however, it is threatened by human activities. Furthermore, offshore drilling unit causes oil spill damaging the ecosystem.
Forestry and wild animal problem. Logging is a prolific industry in North America, especially in USA and Canada, which reduces the forest areas. Besides, tropical forest in USA is threatened by humans because of city expansion and land development for recreation. Therefore, plants and animals are destroyed until they are extinct. The human encroachment of the forest in North America has destroyed animal habitats and food resources. Hence, the number of wildlife has been decreased and some rare animals are becoming extinct. Moreover, the introduction of foreign animals into the area has led to the damage of ecosystem.
Soil problem. The soil in North America in the cold area in the north is covered by ice and snow. Moreover, soil in the highland is less fertile because of much erosion. Monocrops and chemical agriculture lead to degradation and low minerals in soil.
Mineral resources problem. Nowadays, the mineral sources in North America are decreased because they were used in manufacturing.